how to download the Discord on your PC or on your laptop. In this video, we are going to explore the options that you can use to install and download the PC application of Discord. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just open any favorite browser you want, and then just right here on the Google search, just write Discord. And here it will take you to the official website, the discord.com. Just click on that, or you can just download it directly from the link provided on the same website. So it says here Windows 10 or higher. If you have that Windows version, you can just continue with the download for Windows. Let's click here and it will ask you for the location to save it. I'll just save it on the downloads. Let's click save. And if you're using the Brave browser especially, you will see this unverified download blocked. So all you have to do is just click on this arrow sign right here and click on download the unverified file. And don't worry, the Brave browser shows this message for all the applications. So let's continue with this, and it will be downloaded immediately. And just go to the folder now, and then just right click and run as administrator. It will ask you for the prompt to run it. Let's click on run and click on run again. It will check for the updates, and if there are any updates, it will update it to the latest version. And then if you have the main screen right here, just click on login. Just put your login name and the password, and just confirm if you're signing in with the new location, and confirm it from your email, and then just click on agree and you are good to go. Now the official Discord application is downloaded and installed on your PC and on your laptop. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if it was helpful, just click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.